So we got the common failure again on a Subaru, which is pretty common on the bearing spuns on the cranks. This is a beautiful 2016 BRZ. They are the rare car on the road right now, and they have this beautiful FA20 motor. It's a boxer engine, and it's a 2 liter. Pretty common for a crank bearing spuns between cylinder 2 and 3. Definitely something happened to this one because this one have a rod knock underneath and we don't exactly know what it is. We just take this engine out right now. As you can see, it's hanging here. So we're going to take it apart and tear it apart and see what's exactly wrong with it. Most common things I already mentioned. And the other thing is that interesting thing we're going to play on this engine is we're going to put the bearings, crank bearings, performance ones. It's not going to be the regular Subaru ones. They are going to have a bulletproof performance bearing, and also the rods on this one we're going to replace it with a performance one because they just passed the extra oil while they was doing a compression on the engine. So we are going to do that thing on this motor, and we are pretty excited. This is a day 2 on this one. We take this motor out of this car. Probably in 2.5 hours. That was the speed on Mrik autos. So this is a pretty simple motors, but nobody likes to touch it because it's a boxer engine. But if you guys do have any of the Subarus, we have expertise here. We have hands-on experience on rebuild any of the Subaru motors. So it's not just like we built Germans. We are specialized in Subarus too. Give us a call, book your appointment for any of the rebuilds. As this customer, they're patiently waiting for us from almost 2 weeks, and we are going to finalizing hopefully coming week. This motor going to be packed up back together. Maybe we need a short block for this one if anything wrong with the block, but right now everything is a mystery. There's a mystery box and we are going to open it probably in a couple of hours, and we'll keep you posted for the what exactly happened to this one. On to the next car. Probably first week of the March, this beautiful X6 2013 engine parts are going to be here probably first week of the March. So we are going to start rebuild on this one. This is going to be one of the powerful rebuilds by Mrik Auto because everything is coming from German, and this customer especially came from almost 2 hours away from London. They just saw our videos and they decided to put this car alive to the road. This is dead from almost 2 years on the spot, and it's a wrap car. The underneath color is, I think it's matte black, but they put in a turn to a gloss black. So this is wrap. We are going to put a rebuild on this engine. Stay tuned with us if you want to see excitingly rebuilt on this car. On to the next one. So a quick update to all my construction workers, whoever want to buy a work truck like this. If you're looking for a truck like this is a 2016 Chevy Silverado or Colorado. It's a V6, and this customer bought it for a work, but end up paying a lot of money after he bought it because this thing have a multiple oil leaks, multiple coolant leaks in this one. So he already put money while he was purchasing from the dealer. The day he bought this thing, this got a radiator leak, so got the new radiator. After that, it got a couple of more leaks with the coolant issues, and end up customer just giving up from that mechanic and move to our shop. When we dig it up, he's end up paying a lot of money to fix oil leaks on the engine plus the coolant leaks. So everything is fixed right now. We already spent 3 full days on this engine to make it fix and work on the road, because everybody who buy that truck for a work purposes It's a hardworking money, and we don't want you guys to put your money into trash for no reason. So if you're looking to buy any of work truck like this, give us a call for a pre-inspection on that one. We'll exactly let you know how much money your truck needs to before you're going to put it on the road. So that way you can just negotiate the price between you and the seller. Hit us up, and we'll happy to help you out. On to the next car. All right, so we got two big jobs here. One is already done. So this is a beautiful 2015 Mini Cooper. That's 1.6 liter. And this came in for a clutch replacement. We already did it, this one. And this is ready for the customer to pick it up. Most common problems on your Minis are, especially with the manual transmission, if you feel your car starts slipping the gears on the manual, do not drive more because it's going to be more damage to the dual mass flywheel. That's what happened to this car. That thing is almost 4 grand after taxes. Just for my Mini customers, if you have a Mini from 2010 to 2017, it comes with a dual mass flywheel, and that thing costs you 3,300 Canadian dollars plus taxes, and it's going to be almost every time back ordered when we try to order it. Luckily, this customer, they don't damage that thing, so we recondition that one. There's a machine shop who do that recondition on the dual mass flywheel. So here we got the 2015 1.4 TSI Jetta, and here the customer wants everything with a Bosch. So this here for a regular maintenance, for a tune-up, and we are going to perform a oil change and the spark plug change and the throttle body because the car gone with a bad oil mileage. So that's what they want to do it, and we recommend Bosch Pro Series 1. So these are the performance filters and with the Bosch spark plugs. So that's what the customer wants from us. They don't want to go with the NGK, and we're going to put this Bosch ones. And also they always put this 540 Life Lob Licomoly. Many of the Jettas, they take this one. So if you guys do want on the VW services authentically with a Bosch and Licomoly paired up, give us a call, book your appointment. We have a bigger inventory in stock, and we'll be happy to help you out. Thank you so much. Customer saving almost 40% from the OEM dealership prices. This customer have this beautiful 2022, it's a RX 350, and this customer is saving almost 40% on the regular maintenance. So they just go for a regular checkup for some other random place, and they got quoted for a bunch of things, and they want to double check with us with our prices with the OEM parts, and they feel something better than other place, so they move the car here. Right now we are going to make a full inspection of this car, and we are going to change the rear brakes. That is mandatory. It's almost 1 mm left on that thing. Just to let you know, if your technician or your professional mechanic advise you your brakes are less than 2 mm, that means you need to replace ASAP, because those 2 mm, they blow the hell out of the rotors in a couple of days or couple of weeks. It depends, because most of the time it's a human nature, we forget. So if anything was advised, it was only 2% pad left on your any of the front or the back brakes, that means you need to change it ASAP. That's what this customer took seriously, and they bring it here. So we're going to do some couple of mandatory service on these ones. This was a 4-wheel drive, so we're going to do some 4-wheel fluid changes on this one. Also all the filters on this car, which is mandatory. If you haven't changed the filter from 6 months on your cabin thing, do it. That's the reason you have a long time sickness with the flu or coughing. That is the main issue on the car. Change it every 6 months. If you're using the car commercially, change it every 3 months. Do not delay that time. That makes you cause long-term sickness to you and your families. That's it for this car. Thanks for watching our videos. Subscribe, press the bell icon.